Hi there, welcome to our channel. So guys, Honor's upcoming V series smartphone, the Honor V40 has recently passed the 3C certification, confirming that it will be equipped with 66-watt fast charging. It is also worth mentioning that Huawei Mate 40 and the upcoming Nova 8 series also uses the same adapter with model number HW110600C00. This charger was certified in July this year and can provide up to 66 watt of charging output. And since Huawei no longer owns Honor, the latter company may use a different branding or name like Oppo's Super VOOC, OnePlus's Warp Charge and the Realme's Super Dart. Now this is the only fresh leak at the moment, but we do have some previous leaks and rumors to share. So in total there are going to be 3 models: Honor V40, V40 Pro and V40 Pro Plus. According to a report, the Honor V40 series might look similar to Huawei's Mate 40 series. The display will be curved with a pill-shaped cutout embedding dual front-facing cameras. The punch hole will not be as large as the Mate 40 series since there will be no 3D depth sensing camera. As for the specs, according to the leak, the Honor V40 may come with a 6.72-inch Full HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate, while the Honor V40 Pro and Pro Plus may flaunt a slightly large 6.76-inch Flex OLED display with 2376x1080 pixels and a 90Hz refresh rate. About the processor, we are not so sure which phone will implement which processor, but according to Teme, the Pro will come with MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus chipset and the Pro Plus to get Kirin 9000 chipset. There are also rumors regarding Exynos 1080 and Snapdragon 888 chipset being used, as the negotiation between Honor and Qualcomm looks optimistic, and the two sides are close to reaching a supply cooperation. In addition to Qualcomm, sources said that MediaTek plans to provide 5G processor for Honor next year. We also expect the Honor V40 series to run Magic UI 4, which is a fork of EMUI 11 based on Android 10. In other words, despite parting ways with Huawei, we expect Honor to use its former parent company's tech for the time being. This phone might come with 50 megapixel main camera in a 4 or 5 camera setup. Unfortunately, that's pretty much everything that is revealed about the Honor V40 series. More details on this phone will be coming soon, so subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace out.